Good morning, students. Today we have to solve exercise 3E of chapter 3, that is squares and square root. Students, in this exercise we have to find out square root of a perfect square number by long division method. Now आप सभी लोगों के दिमाग में ये बात आ रही होगी कि व्हाट इज द लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड और क्यों हम लोग लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि प्रीवियसली हम लोगों ने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड यूज किया था। बट ऐसा क्या है कि वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस प्रॉपर्टी टू फाइंड आउट स्क्वायर रूट। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, as we know, sometimes difficulties are faced during prime factorization method, since when we deal with very large numbers. Hence, the square roots are find out by using this long division method is very easy and very interesting. So I have to explain you first about the properties with a given example, that is here in our whiteboard. I show you example of 784. We have to find out square root of this number by using long division method. We have to find out square root of this 784. The first rule is that we have to group this 784 from its unit place, that is pairing, that is 84, and this number is 7. Dear students, paired number and unpaired number is known as period. Now we have to think a number whose product with itself is equal to 7 or less than 7. That means if we take here 2 and multiplied by itself, 2 2s are 4, that is less than 7, or if there is a number whose product with itself is equal to 7, that will be taken here. That means 2 is divisor as well as 2 is quotient. Here after subtract 4 from 7, we get here 384. Now this 2 will add it to this 2 or twice of this 2, that is 4. Now again we have to think of a number whose product with that number is equal to 384 or something else. If we take here 48, 4, here how do we get this 4? This 4 is actually twice of this number, and we have to take one of the number (48). Whenever this 48 divisor is multiplied with quotient 8, there we will get 384. This quotient 28 is the square root of 784. Now in exercise 3, question number 1, we have to find out square root of this 576 by applying long division method. Here is 576. As per rule, we have to pair them from unit place. This number is single. This pair and this unpaired number is known as period. Now we have to think of a number that is equal to or less than 5. That is 2 2s are 4. Reminder 1, we have to place 76 besides this reminder. Now for next divisor, we have to take twice of this 2, that is 4. Now think of a number which being used to multiply with itself to get value equal to 176. If we take 44 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 176. Now here quotient is 24, therefore square root of 576 is equal to 24. Next question is 4489. Again pairing of digits. Think of a number which is equal to or less than 44. If we take 6 6 are 36, because 7 7s are 49 is greater than 44, which is not possible. So 44 minus 36 gives 8. Now we have to place remaining this 89 besides this number. Now take twice of 6, that is 12. Again we have to take another number. The product of that number with gives equivalent to 889. If we take 7, 127, 7s are 889. Therefore, square root of 4489 equal to 67. Now question number 8. Here 14161, a number is given which we have to find out its square root. Now again the same process, we have to make them pair from unit digits, that is 61, then 41, and 1 is left over. 1, 41 and 61, these numbers are known as period. Now think of a number which is equal to or less than 1. So 1 ones are 1. After subtracting this 1 from 1, here we get 0. Now we have to borrow this 41. Now this 41 is now become as dividend. This 21 is now quotient. Here is this 2. How do we got this 2? Twice of this 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to take another number. This number with this number, 21 when multiplied with 1, that gives 21. Now after subtracting this 21 from 41, here we get 20. Now we have to bring this 61 besides 20. Now the number become 2061. Now this 21 plus 1 will now make which is equal to 22. Now we have to take another number, that is 9. 2 to 9 when multiplied by itself, 9s are 2 to 9, 9s are. See, this 2 number is the sum of previous number with quotient, but this 9 we have to think of that, and whenever multiplied with this 9, here we got 2061. After subtracting both this number, remainder is nothing. So quotient is 119, which is the square root of 14,161. as well as 19,600 is a number we have to find out is square root by using long division method. Now pairing the number, and here quotient is 1 and divisor is also 1. Divisor and quotient multiplied to give 1. Now twice of 1 is 2. Again you have to take another number 24 and multiply it by itself. 24 fours are 96. Nothing is remain here. Hence this quotient 140 is the square root of 19,600.